Hey everybody! In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly solve a few math problems commonly found in pre-employment quizzes like the CCAT. We'll look at algebra, numerical sequences, fractions, and wrap it up with percentages. Let's get started. So this first question is an algebraic problem. 21 is what percent of 20? So let's write that as a formula. So 21 is what percent of 20. And you can divide both sides by 20, do some long division, and get your answer. That's not the easiest problem to solve with long division. So here's a quicker alternative. You take these answers, plug it into the formula, and see which one gets you 21. And then I'll show you a little secret to make it even faster. So if we take 106%, which can be rewritten as 1.06 times 20, 0 times 6, 0 times 0, 0 times 1, carry a 0. 2 times 6 is 12. And we know already that we're going to have to carry this decimal point over. And when we add it all up, it's going to give us 0.2. So that's not going to be the right answer. So we can move right on to the next problem. So 1.07 times 20, it's going to be the same problem. That's going to end up giving us a 0.4 down here at the bottom. And so that can't be the right answer. I already know 105 is the right answer, so let's jump down to 103. So 1.03 times 20, 3 times 2 is going to give us a 0.6. So that can't be the right answer either. So this has to be the right answer. Let's see. And we're right. Let's go on to the next question. What is the next number in the following sequence? So I usually start with addition, and right off we know 1 plus 2 does not give us 2. So let's try multiplication. 1 times 2 does give us 2. 2 times 2 gives us 4. 2 times 4 gives us 8. 8 times 4 gives us 32. That should be the right answer. Excellent. Let's go on to the next question. Which of the following fractions is the largest? So with fractions, sometimes it's easier to visualize a pie. So let's look at 3/4, for example. So if I take a pie, divide it into 4 pieces, and fill in 3 of those 4 pieces, that's what that looks like. Comparing that to 1/3, for example, if we take a pie, split it into 3, and only fill in 1 of those slices, we know that that's smaller than this. So for each of these, visualize a pie and see which one appears the largest. And to me, it's going to be a tie between this one and this one. So let's do some quick division just to spot check. So 5/6 could be rewritten as this. 5 goes into 6 how many times? We can't do that, so we're going to have to extend it out. 6 goes into 50. We can go 6 times 8 will give us 48. The remainder of 2. So we'll stop there and know that it ends in 0.8. Let's look at 3/4. So 3/4 can be written as 4 goes into 3, 4 goes into 30. So 7 times 4 will give us 28. So we know 0.7 is going to be smaller than that. So we know that this is probably the right answer, and it's definitely larger than those two. So let's check our answer. Excellent. Next question. If a worker sells 1,190 sofas the first year, and then the number of sofas sold the next year was 40% lower, how many were sold the second year? Okay, so you could create an equation for this as well. An easy way of doing it is visualizing if the first year she sold 1190, so that's the equivalent of 100% of sales. And then the following year she sold 40% less. So 100% minus 40% can give us 60%. We know that 60% of 1190 will give us the second year's sales. So we say 1190 times 60%, which is going to be the same as 0.6. We know that 6 goes into 0, 0 times. 6 times 9 is 54. 6 times 1 is 6. Plus 5 is 11. 6 times 1 is 6, plus that is 7. Don't forget to carry your decimal point. And we've got 714. Let's check our answer. And we're good to go. Great work. See you in the next video.